Hi, so how you can make $1,000 per day with Clickbank affiliate marketing, and is it possible? And the answer is yes. As you can see here, right now I'm making the video in my car that I bought with 100% all affiliate marketing commissions. So yes, affiliate marketing is long-term scalable business opportunity where you can really make huge amounts of money if you do it correctly, if you have someone to coach you and mentor you one-on-one and show you step-by-step all the ropes and hand-holding along the way. Now, as you know, on Clickbank there are many gurus, there are many people selling you the courses about 3-step process, like set up Facebook ad, have lender, and you are going to make money. It does work, yes, but for most people they fail. And the reason why is because those gurus are not telling you the main secret, which is how to acquire the customer with lower price and how to get high quality customers without getting much refunds, and also scaling up the profits without wasting lots of time and money. Now, most of gurus on Clickbank are saying yes, you can scale with Facebook ads, but the main thing, or Google ads or YouTube ads for example, but the main thing you have to remember is this, and listen closely please. You have to know who is your audience, who you are targeting, and you have to remember those are the people, those are real human beings. And if you understand that, you can make leveraged income, basically recurring passive income, and you can differentiate yourself, position yourself differently than most of 99% of newbie affiliates or even professional affiliates who are selling you the fake thing about yes, you can only do this 3-step process and you're going to make consistent income. It's not true. You see, most people are struggling with ads. The ad cost is going up, and because they don't do one thing, which is collect emails and also make sure they nurture the email list and make money on the back end, because most people are making money on the back end, right? Now you don't have to waste lots of money to make money on the back end, right? There is special structure, there is special step-by-step way where you can basically leverage your income and let's say make thousands of dollars on the back end just from this email marketing system on the back end. You see, yes, you can run YouTube ads, yes, you can run Facebook or Google ads, but the most important thing is if you don't have the system or someone to show you exactly or give you a done for you campaign where you can see, aha, this is how it's done, aha, this is how you can scale up your profits on the back end and make thousands of dollars without wasting the same customers. You see, most people who are newbies, they pay $2,000 on ads, they waste money. Why? Because let's say 1,000 visitors come to your page, 100 visitors go and click, so 10% of them go and click on your ad on your lender and go to the Clickbank vendors page to buy the product, and then they opt out, they're gone, you will never see them again. But if you're smart, like most of you watching this video, if you're smart and know what you're doing, then you can capture the lead and you can resend them email, or you can follow up with them and then make extra commissions, even high ticket commissions on the back end. But most people don't have even the clue how to do it, or even the resource, or let's say someone to show them exactly how it's properly done. And again, you have to properly be doing it if you not want to waste time and money. So if you want to know exactly how it's done, like step by step, to see exact process, then click the links below this video. There are going to be links to my social media accounts where I will reach out to you personally. You can reach out to me personally on social media. We can connect one-on-one personally, and you can get done with you program, basically done with you and done for you thing, where we together one-on-one set up the actual ad campaigns on networks like Facebook and Google ads, and then we show exactly how to capture the leads and what we do on the back end to make money. You see, sometimes you will make $100 or $200 on the front end, right, on your first day of sale, but then 2 days later you can make $800 more from the same customer with email system on the back end. So you see, most people are not teaching that. Most people are not showing you exactly how to do it, what to put on your landing page, how to position your advertorial, or let's say your blog or whatever you're using, right? All this I'm showing to people, where if you are serious and watching this video and if you want to have coaching done with you, then click the links below this video, reach out to me on social media, and we can get started, we can get something going. So if you have minimum $25 per day to spend on ads, then this is the great opportunity for you to start this business. Now again, please subscribe to my channel, and for more helpful tips, reach out to me after watching this video and we can set up something great together and get you up and running with online affiliate marketing business. Thank you for watching.